Hello guys, Wesley here. So on our last video, we talked about the three big AIs, that is OpenAI, ChatGPT, Birds from Google, and we talked about Microsoft Bing AI. So today, okay, since then, a lot has changed and Bard is really catching up. So for the past few weeks, Bard has been releasing some updates, and there are three things that I want to talk about on their latest update. And what I want to start to talk about is Bard integration with Google Lens. So if you've been using Google products for some time, you know that Google Lens is a product that allows you to uh, upload images, and Google does search based on those images. So now that feature is supported by Bard. Now let's see how to work with that feature. So what you're going to do is I have this website here from a company that deals with some cleaning or house cleaning items. Now what you're going to do is we are going to pick an item from this company and add it or upload it to Bard and ask details about that product. So let's get started. So on our chat interface here, you can notice that on the left side, we have a plus icon now for uploading files. So that's what we'll click. So if you click this for the first time, you'll get a prompt that will allow you to confirm some things. But since I've done that, I just get this option now. I'll click on upload here and I'll get a product. Let me choose a product. From here, we see, okay, let me choose this product here. So as it loads, I'll ask Bard about this product. Okay, so I've submitted that. I'm asking Bard to tell me about the product. So let's see what we get. There you are. So we can see Bard goes through the product and gives you the details here, and it's telling that the image is a cleaner and degreaser called Primer FC. It is made by Sencreen. If we confirm that, you can see that this is the company Sencreen, and this is the company that deals with that or has manufactured that product. So until there, we are okay. So it gives you some of the features of the product here. You can see concentrated formula, so on and so on. So you can see pretty good. So we can agree that Google Bard is doing good based on the images that you give it. So you just submit an image and it does the search and gives you the details about that. So this is a pretty neat feature that I've not seen on OpenAI's ChatGPT. So I can say that Google is doing something nice here. Now this brings us to our second feature that Google has brought, and that is read out loud. So now Google is trying to make your work easy, since it knows that you can be multitasking and doing many things at a time. So it makes your work easier. So if you search or you do a search of a product or a search of any query that you have, Google gives you an option for the AI to respond to you by reading out the results. So how do we do that? On your response, if you check at the right hand side, you have this speaker icon. So if you click on it, it will read out the details for you. So let's see.
The product in the image is a cleaner and degreaser called Primer FC1. It is made by Senclean, a company that specializes in industrial cleaning products. Primer FC1 is a concentrated formula that can be used to remove grease, oil, and other contaminants from a variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, and concrete. It is also effective at removing stains from clothing and fabrics.
Very good, very good. We can agree that that's a very nice feature and makes your work easy. So you can be listening to your result or the result of your query as you'll be working on another tab here, doing other few things. So far, pretty nice. I like that feature. So you can tell me what you like, if you like it or you don't like it. Okay, the other feature now is over the past few weeks, Google Bard has been trying to factor in as many languages as possible. So at the moment, there are languages that are supported, and you can query Google Bard based on that language, and it will give you the result. So let's see how that works. So on this case, I'm going to use Kiswahili. Swahili is supported by Google Bard, and I'm going to ask a query in Swahili and see what we get. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now what I'm doing here is I'm trying to ask Google Bard siasa mbaya inamaanisha nini. So since Google Bard supports Swahili, it should be able to understand this query and respond in Swahili. Let's see if that's possible. There we go. So you can see my query was in Swahili. The answer that I get also is in Swahili. Very nice. So this shows you that with a supported language, you can ask Bard a query based on that language, and it will understand the language and respond in that language. The other nice thing is that it will be able to read the language also. So let's listen.
Siasa mbaya ni mfumo wa kisiasa ambao haufuati kanuni za demokrasia au utawala bora. Inaweza kusababisha ukiukaji wa haki za binadamu, ukosefu wa usawa wa kijamii, na uharibifu wa mazingira. Siasa mbaya inaweza kusababisha matatizo yafuatayo: ukosefu wa uwazi na uwajibikaji. Katika siasa mbaya, serikali
We have to agree that that's pretty nice. So whichever language that you give, Bard will understand the language and give out the results of that language that you asked and respond in that specific language. I like that. Now, one last feature that I want to talk about here is share. Now, Google Bard allows you to share your conversation with other people, share it via email, or you can even share it on social media. So how do we do that? So at the bottom of your response that you get, you see the share icon here. So it is share and export. If you click on that icon, you get three options. The first one is share, export to docs, and draft in email. The last two are pretty straightforward. You just export your chat and you save it in a doc file, and draft in email. You can save it to an email and send. What I want to talk about is this share. So if you click on this share, you get this option here. So it will ask you, what do you want to share? Do you want to share this entire prompt where you started your entire this prompt, the last prompt that we just did, which was about siasa mbaya? The other option is the entire chat. If you click on this option, it will take the entire chat from where we started on, which was uploading the image, and share that. So it's up to you to choose what you want to share. So once you select your option here and you scroll down, okay, you will get a preview here. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. You get a preview of whatever you are going to share. Here you can see that that is the entire chat. If I click on this prompt also, you'll see it is the last thing that we asked here. So once you are okay with that, you just scroll down and you'll get this option here for create a public link. So just tap on that, and there you go. So it creates a link for you. You can copy this link and share it with someone, or you can share it to LinkedIn or Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit at the moment. So those are the features that I wanted to talk about for Bard AI. So hope you like the video. If you like it, kindly give me a subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you get notified the next time we upload another video, sorry. So tell me on the comments what you like, and tell me whether you feel that Bard AI is going to outdo OpenAI's ChatGPT. So on my end, I was thinking ChatGPT was doing pretty nice, but based on these few updates here, I think Bard is catching up, and it might just overtake ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.